it's Ayla, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make some simple tassels. It can go in like whatever you want, as long as it has like a little loop. So to make the simple tassels, you're going to need something to put it on and make sure it has like a hole or something in it. You're going to need some string and you're going to need some scissors. So what you're going to do is you're going to wrap the string around your hand several times. I'm going to do it for about 30. Okay, so then I'm just going to cut it off, and then I have this little loop. I'm going to cut off a side of it, cut off any side, just cut a piece off, so that now it's going to be like this. So then you're going to take your thing, and you're going to take this, and I like to twist it in the middle, and then I'm going to make it like this. Make it like this, or so it looks like a tassel. You're going to slip it through the little knot. And make sure it's really tight enough so that it can get through the knot. And so it looks like this. And then you're going to make an open hole. So this is what mine looks like so far. So now I'm going to make an open hole, and then I'm going to slip the rest of my yarn through the open hole. Yes, it might be a little small, but you've just got to sort of shove it through. Oops, didn't do that right. This is really hard to do, so I'm just going to start small. So it's okay if you just want to do a little bit. You don't have to do all of it, because it's really hard. Trust me. So I'm just going to do a little bit. And so then I'm just going to shove it all through. And I'm just going to give you an example of what it looks like when it's done. You probably know what a tassel is by now, but this is what the tassel looks like when it's done. So, and I'm just going to make those edges a little bit neater. Right, see? So that's the simple little tassel. So, and then I've got this, and then I'm just going to make a bigger hole over here for a bigger tassel. And I'm just going to do the same thing with this other yarn. But sometimes your yarn can get a little bit small. So if your yarn is not big enough, then I like to do it around my wrist sometimes. I can do it around my wrist, but that doesn't really work for me either. So then, if it's not big enough, then like do it around the doorknob or whatever. I'm just going to take my string, and then I'm going to slip it over here, make the hole. This is the most unneat tassel that I've ever done in my life. But yeah, that's the tassel. So another way to do a tassel is, if this is easier for you, you take your string and then you make a loop with it. You do this, like a tassel would look like. And then I'm going to cut off a little bit of pipe cleaner. Come on. I'm going to cut off a little bit of pipe cleaner, and I've got my tassel part right here. Then I'm going to wrap it around the tassel part. I'm going to wrap it around the non-open part, the little ball part, sort of. So then it'll have a little tassel. That's how I would normally do it. Well, thanks guys for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe and put in the comments down below what you think I should do for my next video. Bye guys!